I am Nitya Masnik and my roll number is 20MI10030. I have created two projects. Firstly, I am showing you how to stimulate open loop control of DC motor using Arduino in Proteus software. For this, I have altered the source code to control the speed of DC motor, which is directly proportional to average voltage, and average voltage is directly proportional to PWM. For this, I have provided a formula which states that speed, which is in RPM, is equal to PWM divided by 255 into maximum speed. Over here, there is a particular value 255 which states the maximum value of PWM, for which it is on for all over the time, and if it is 0 then it is off for all over the time, and if it is in between then it calculates the average value. Then I am initializing the PWM equal to 200. Please ensure that the value of PWM is less than or equal to 250 for better accuracy and predictability. Under void setup, I have defined 12th pin as output, which is connected to input pin 1, and made it high in order to run the motor in clockwise direction. Then I am defining 8th pin as output, which is connected to brake, made it low in order to disable the brake. Under the schematic capture, over here there is an enable pin A which is connected to IO pin 4, and this IO pin 4 is connected to IO pin 6, which in Arduino is PWM. Therefore, I have made it as output pin. Under void loop, I have defined two parameters in order to generate the desired output. The first parameter, this 6, represents the IO pin 6 which calculates PWM signal, and second parameter PWM is a particular value ranging between 0 to 255. Under schematic capture, DC motor is running in clockwise direction and speed is equal to 35 RPM. Now again I am altering the source code, taking PWM value equal to 100. So according to the formula, the speed should be equal to half of the initial value, which is equal to 17.5. Now again the DC motor is running in clockwise direction and the speed is 9.27 RPM, which is different from ideal condition. It is so because of internal disturbances in DC motor. Now I am showing you my second project, which is to create water level and gas pressure dashboard by giving input to sensors without any hardware device using Node-RED software. Under flow 1, I have taken a slider and modified it, taking group as water level group, label it as water level controller, range it from 0 to 100 in steps of 1. Then I have connected it to a gauge which is also being modified. Group is water level group, label it as water level in centimeter, and ranges from 0 to 100. 0 to 30 the color gradient is green, 30 to 60 it is yellow, and from 60 onward it is red. Now under Node-RED dashboard, while I am increasing water level controller from 0 it is green, from 30 onwards it is yellow, and from 60 onwards it is red. Now under flow 2, I have also taken another slider, modified it, taken in the same group, water level group, label it as gas pressure controller, ranges from 0 to 40 in steps of 1. Then connected it to a chart which is also being modified, taken in the same group, water level group, label it as gas pressure bar, and I wanted to show it on bar chart, therefore taken type as bar chart. Range in y-axis is 0 to 40. Now under Node-RED dashboard, while I am increasing gas pressure controller, the pressure of the gas increasing. In this way, I have created all my two projects. Thank you.